Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. Today we're gonna fix an error. Something happened and your PIN is not available in your Windows 10 while signing in. So let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. The very first thing that you need to do is to click over here in the sign in options and sign in with your password, because here both the options are given, password and your PIN. First of all, try to log in with your password. If you're unable to log in with your password, I'll provide you the step also in this tutorial in the end. So please keep watching it till the end. Now first step is open your settings menu. In settings menu, choose accounts, and in accounts click on sign in information. Sign in options. Here in the Windows Hello PIN, click on it and remove the PIN. Provide your desktop password and hit the OK button. Now once the PIN is removed, now you can again add the PIN so that you can set up it again as per your convenience. Now once the PIN is added, now go ahead and restart your system and check if the problem is resolved or not. If still the problem persists, we are going to proceed to the second step. In second step, simultaneously press Windows and R key, and in run command type services.msc and hit the enter button. In services, find a service name as CNG key isolation. Double click to run the service. Now here make sure in the startup type it should be manual, and if it is somehow stopped, make sure you click on the start button to start the service again. Now restart your system again and check problem is resolved or not. If it is still persist, we are going to proceed to the third step. In third step, open your My Computer and first of all click on the View tab and choose the option Hidden Files so that you can view all your hidden files. Now open this PC, C drive. In C drive, open Windows. In Windows, find a folder Service Profile. Now in Service Profile, find Local Service. Here App Data. Now open Local folder, open Microsoft and delete this folder which is named as NGC. One more thing friends, if you are getting error while deleting this folder, you need to right click on it and click on the Properties button. Now choose the Security tab and click on the Advanced options. Now here under the owner name, click on the Change button. And now click on Advanced button. And then click Find Now. Now here find a system name as System. Username name as System and Everyone. You need to add both of them. Hit the OK button to add. And in the same way, you need to add everyone also in it. Now hit the OK and again OK button. This way you have taken the ownership of this particular folder. Now you can easily delete this folder without any worry, because some users have reported that they are facing problem while deleting this folder. That's why I have provided you the solution on how you can delete this folder. Now go ahead and restart your PC and check if the problem is resolved or not. If somehow the problem still persists, our fourth step is to again open run command by simultaneously pressing Windows and R key and type here REGEDIT and hit the enter button. Now in registry editor, here in address bar you need to type a command and hit the enter button. Now in this test hook folder, right click on it and click on new dword32. Give it a name threshold and hit the enter button. Now double click to open it and give it a value 0. Make sure the value is 0 and hit the OK button. Now go ahead and restart your system and check if the problem is resolved or not. If you are unable to sign into your system, we are going to proceed to the last step so that you can sign in using your advanced options. For that, Click on the start menu, click on turn off button and choose the option restart. Make sure when you click on the restart button, you press and hold the shift key so that your computer restart in the troubleshooting mode. In troubleshooting mode, choose the option troubleshoot. Now advanced options, and here choose the option uninstall updates. Make sure you uninstall both the updates one by one. First one is quality update and second one is latest feature update. Once uninstalling both the updates, you can easily be logged in into the system and then you can resolve this issue. So that's it about it, friends. If you still face the issue, kindly comment below so that I can find more ways for the resolution. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.